Hey guys, how's it going on? My name is Kristifor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace images in Wordpress easy without uploading a new ones and removing the old ones. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is go to your dashboard. From here, you will go to the plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Now in the search bar at the top, you will search for the media replace and click Enter. The first plugin that you're gonna see is Enable Media Replace by Short Pixel. Just install and activate this plugin. Once it's activated, now we will go to the media and library here. So now you can hover on each image that you like. For example, I will hover this image. You can see you have a new tab here, replace media. You will just click on this and it will show the current image here and the new one. And you can upload a different image. Maybe, for example, if you want to upload this image, like for example this one, it will say the current image and the new one. And you have some other options, like you can replace the file with a new name and update all the links, or if you like, you can also change the date with a new one. But I keep everything as default here, and I just click upload. And once the image is uploaded, you will see this message here, like your image has been replaced. And now if you go to the media library and do a hard refresh, you will see the new image is also uploaded. So I hope this video helped you out. If you want to see some more videos like this, as always, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get updated every time when I upload a new video. I'm uploading videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So until then, see you in the next video.